In this video, I'm talking about how we landed 22 Raising Cane's locations to restripe every year on a reoccurring basis, why this was good for our business, also how it helps and puts us in a good position going into the 2024 season. And if you stick around until the end of the video, I'm going to give away a free tip that will help boost your keyword search rankings within Google that will land you many more jobs. So stick around because you're not going to want to miss this. It was actually funny how this happened. I got a call from someone with a New Jersey area code asking me if I was able to restripe a Raising Cane's location in my city. This customer came in off of our GMB profile listing. And if you guys are interested in learning more about how I land these large accounts off Google for free, within the How to Stripe course, we teach you how to properly optimize a Google business profile for maximum results. So if you want to learn how I land large accounts, check out the How to Stripe course. It will be in the first link in the pinned comment section and description. So when they called me, they told me that they were in charge of managing the national accounts for this company and that they were dissatisfied with the current contractor that services the locations in my state. They asked me to give them a price to stripe the first property, so after I sent them the amount that I could do the job for, they asked me to look over 2 more locations. And once I gave them the price for those, they told me that they would overnight ship me the stencil kit. We worked out the agreement that my company would take over the accounts for the remaining locations left this year. And also, in the 2024 season, we would be responsible for striping all of the locations in my state. So on top of the jobs that will be coming in next season, we're going to be restriping Waffle House, Sonic's, and now Raising Cane's on a reoccurring basis. This customer is going to help us out tremendously because it allows us to budget our finances and allocate customer acquisition efforts into other areas. When you have a highly optimized Google business profile, this is going to drive warm organic traffic to your business for free without you having to pay for advertisement. And guys, if you don't have a great presence on Google, you're missing out on so many opportunities to get reoccurring work. I've got guys that ask me questions all the time. They say, Chris, what's the fastest way to go full-time striping so I can replace my income? And my answer is always, without question, you've got to land reoccurring work. And if you want to go full-time striping really fast, you've got to do what I'm telling you in these videos. There are guys that watch the channel that know me personally, and they know what I did to grow the business so fast in such a short period of time. And also, I gotta say this, that I couldn't have done it without God. I knew that the Lord was providing for me a way to provide for my family, and we are where we are as a company today because of His goodness. And this opportunity is so good for my business because it keeps me busy with reoccurring work and with a customer that cost me nothing to acquire. If we service this customer each year for the next 3 years at $30K profit per year, that's a $90,000 customer within the next 3 years that only comes from one customer. So this one customer alone helped me replace my full-time income that I had before I left my full-time job. So if you guys can replicate that process 3 or 4 times over, you will dominate your area without question, which will help you replace your full-time income. And if you have strong brand awareness within the marketplace, you can properly position yourself with these large companies and they will choose to work with you over your competitors, but it's going to take time and it's not going to be overnight. Okay, so if you're still with me in the video, here's the free tip. When your customers are leaving Google reviews, they need to include the relevant keywords that somebody would most likely search for in relation to the service it is that you provide. So if you do parking lot striping, within the Google review, the 5 stars are good because some people just leave 5 stars and don't leave any comments. But if they leave relevant comments that include parking lot, pricing, striping, so on and so forth, these relevant keyword search terms will help you rank higher within the search engine because Google is going to associate what these people are looking up and then put your brand in front of their eyes when they're searching for this. If you want to learn how to properly optimize a GMB profile, be sure to check out How to Stripe, where we cover all of that information in the course. And if you made it this far in the video, comment Psalms 34 in the comment section and we will see you in the next video.